Typhoon Haiyan is one of the most devastating storms to have ever hit the Philippines or anywhere else in the world. 700,000 people displaced, death tolls rising, debris all over the place. I was in the tsunami in 2004 in Sri Lanka, and it looks exactly the same. The place is flattened, access is extremely difficult, and you now have rising concerns very quickly about shelter, about food, about clean water and sanitation, and about disease outbreaks. The first challenge that UNICEF is facing is access. There is massive destruction. A lot of the infrastructure is down and debris is everywhere. We've been able to get staff into Tacloban, the capital of Leyte, where there is a working airport. We got through on a C-130, and we're redirecting supplies from other parts of the Philippines, as well as airlifting supplies, health supplies, wash supplies, recreational kits into Cebu on a nearby island and into Leyte itself. We're working as we speak to get those supplies from those distribution hubs into the hands of populations that need it, and also to get more staff on the ground to be able to provide support and assistance in the areas of water and sanitation, first of all, in the areas of health, and in the area of child protection, because we're very concerned about separated, unaccompanied children. We will also be looking to resume education as quickly as possible, because it is a place that children can be safe. UNICEF will be part of the process of rebuilding the Philippines, to build back better, so that whatever has been destroyed by the tempest, whatever has been destroyed by the hurricane, is not a symbol of defeat, but in fact is a symbol of what we can do, what the human spirit can do.